Yeah, a lot of people saying I'll be able to pay off my bills. Be able to save money now. Yeah, exactly. I mean, I know a lot of people live paycheck to paycheck, and that's tough, right? I've been there, right? So to have that little extra money you can store away is great, and that's really, really powerful, right? So $100 a day we're all in agreement here that can make a huge difference. Nobody would say no to that, right? Now let me ask you this. What would your life be like if you made an extra $1,000 per day, right? $1,000. So basically we're 10xing that 100. What would that do for you? Well, chances are it would probably do a lot, right? And go ahead and let me know in the chat actually too while you're thinking about it. Yeah, so be able to pay off my mortgage, someone says here. John says be able to go on vacation for the first time in a long time. Yeah, for sure, you can do that. Be able to pay off my student debt. Yeah, so that's for sure. That's a big one. That's something that a lot of my students have been able to do is pay off their debt because of that, and that's powerful. So yeah, see everyone in the chat box here. A lot of everyone's thinking that's good. Like I want you to imagine this because it can happen, right? This definitely can happen. And when you think about it, guys, $1,000 a day. That's basically $7 grand per week, $28,000 per month. $365,000 per year. That is life-changing income, guys. And I want to be very, very clear that this is 100% possible. And honestly, it is not hard to do once you figure out this system. Now, guys, I say that not because I've had success with it, but also some people who are very, very close to me, very near and dear to me, have had success with this as well. Like, for example, my girlfriend, right? Even my girlfriend is making thousands of dollars per day. You can see here, this is a post that she did very, very recently here in the group where she got her first $1,000 a day yesterday, right? She's pretty excited about it. First goal achieved. And actually, ever since the screenshot, flash forward a couple days, when I was texting her, this actual text between me and my girlfriend, and I asked her, hey, how much profit did you make yesterday? And she said $1,100 in profit, right? And she actually, had a little emoji there, a little GIF there, which is kind of cool. And I said, send me a screenshot, right? And she sent a screenshot there. You can see she made $1,700 that one day, 1,100 of it was profit. So even my girlfriend, guys, is learning how to do this. And so she's been only doing this for about 2 months, and she's now at a position where she's making this kind of money. So, and it just goes to show, like, I really, really believe in this system. It really works. And if I didn't believe in it, I wouldn't have, people like my girlfriend doing it, okay? That just goes to show there, okay? So now that I have my own 7-figure business and freedom, everybody asks me how I've been able to do it. And that's why I made it my mission to show as many people as possible how simple it is to promote Clickbank offers on things like Facebook and make $1,000 a day or more. So are you finally ready to learn how? Go ahead and let me know in the chat if you're ready to learn how. I think I know the answer. Yeah, everybody's saying yes. All right, great. All right, we'll do it. Okay, cool. All right, guys, so remember, though, don't forget, because at the end of this training, I'm going to share with you the exact ad that made me $1,000 a day for the last 3 years, okay? So make sure you guys stick around, right? And I want to share with you guys once again how you can literally change your online success from being like someone like this on the left-hand side, just down and discouraged and wondering why everyone else has success but them, and turning that into success, being Mr. Moneybags or even Mrs. Moneybags, right? So top secret number 1, let's get into it, is how to find the best and highest paying offers to make the most money possible. Well, here's what you're going to do. You're going to go to clickbank.com, right? If you don't have an account, you can sign up for one at clickbank.com. I'm not going to cover how to sign up for an account because honestly, it's so easy. Just follow the steps and it just self-guides you through it, right? Once you have a Clickbank account, all you're going to do is go to the Marketplace tab, which you can see at the top of this screenshot. And you're going to see, once you do that, this screen pop up. You're going to see a search bar and a search icon. I want you to leave the search bar blank, and then I want you to go ahead and hit the search icon. And what's going to happen is you're going to see something like this. And what happens is they basically show you the top offers on Clickbank in order of popularity, sales, and they call gravity, right? And so you can see here, guys, it makes it so easy to find the best offers to promote, because for me, I want to promote the top 10 or 20 offers. That's all I focus on, okay? And so all I do is I don't have to type anything in the search bar. I hit search, and then we're good to go, right? So we got offers like this one here, Leptotox, which is a supplement offer. It converts really, really well. It does really, really well, as a matter of fact. A lot of my students have hit their first $1,000 a day because of that offer. Cinderella Solution, which is a weight loss offer as well. Diabetes, and then there's so many other types of offers on there. There's DIY stuff, there's Ted's Woodworking, there's how to recharge your old batteries. There's all these programs and systems that you can use and promote, right? And they all convert really